Yeah.
Ah,
they're
sige,
big,
kuya.
no?
Naka...
Now you hold this. You hold this also. Yeah, show it there. Oh. Yan, to your dad. This is doing.
Oh, yun.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, now,
Ano?
Norma, this is for
Hawakan mo yun.
Show your dad.
Teka, may tinik.
May tinig ba yan?
Matinik. Yan, hawakan niyo.
Wala pala mga tinik yun, parang roses.
Yan, there's the
Dami.
Come here,
orange.
come here. Show your orange also. You stand up, anak. Stand up.
It's a video.
Yeah, it's
Video
a
to.
video.
Stand by Lola.
Ow.
Stand by Lola. There.
Ayan, video. Ayan, laki ah.
There.
Dami.
Lots of oranges.
Put it
Okay.
there.
Arizona.
Oo.
Ito yan, saan nyo binili, kuya? Yung... Dyan sa Home Depot lang.
I think these are the biggest.
At saka sa Home Depot, pag hindi nabuhay yung ano mo,
Dwarf lang siya, dwarf.
o nahalaman mo, pwede mong
Can I hold the
balik.
gun?
Papalitan nila.
Whoa, it's heavy.
Oh. Come here, stand up, you show it. Show. No, not like that. Put it on your thumb. Like that.
There.
Ayan, ang
Ay,
laki ah.
it's not a ball, ha? I thought you were gonna throw it.
Ganyo ka.
Well, I'm gonna throw it.
Kalabende.
At ngayon, ang lalagyan natin ngayon ng ano, kailangan natin.
Lagyan lang mo sa plastic bag.
Hindi plastic bag kasi. Kakalugyan, baka matanggalan sila. Baka matanggal. Kailangan meron silang...
Hindi yung plastic bag o tapos yung hawakan. Isabit na lang sa ano. Para
Oo. Pwede ba doon? May kailangan ba?
Daddy, watch out! I'm gonna
Hanap
hit
tayo
you.
sa bitan. Gawa natin sa bitan.
Daddy,
Wait, just a moment, just a moment, just a moment.
Wala na, diligtin na lang ng dilig.
Tubig lang yan. Organic nga doon. Organic.
We're gonna hit Dad.